Hey, it's Adam and Kai on March 29th at just about 11 o'clock, just doing another little look at the Yamaha TZR250 here. So Kyle will go ahead and kick it over and start it. He just took it for a little ride, but just showing it off. So a little bit of a mark on the bodywork right here, a little bit of a repair on the inside of the fairing there, but really does look nice. Tires still have nubs on them. They are a couple of years old, but they are sticky and feel good. Side stand, Kay. There you are. Thanks for watching.